Arrive in style with this 2016 Toyota Prius 2. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include wheels, 6.5 5-spoke aluminum alloy, fabric seat trim, radio, in-tune audio, 4-wheel disc brakes, 6 speakers, air conditioning, electronic stability control, front bucket seats, front center armrest and spoiler. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.